So what's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the Infinix S4 Hands On. So I had to go, I told you guys, I just had to go and get that device and check it out at the shop. So I had just not to buy it and purchase it, but I had to put my hands on it. So I put my hands on it, and these are my final thoughts or my final saying. Can you buy it? Is it worth it? Is it worth it how you saw it on the video? So I saw the device, it's very nice. The panels are so nice and vibrant. I had to touch it even at the back. The back, it seems to be so smooth because it has a glass panel at the back, and the water drop on the front glass is real. So it's not something which is so gimmick or something you say like, oh, this is wacky, because some of the people, they say this is wacky talkie. So so just like that, I hope some of you guys, you have got that kind of clue or concept that the Infinix S4 is a really big deal. And I kind of like it, since I didn't even test the camera, since they didn't allow me to peel off the branding of it, since it was a new device. So I asked them, can I just see it, can I just play around with it, and the answer was go. So I just didn't hesitate on that. So I had just to play around with it and explore many things throughout seeing it. So my hands on it, or my what was it? My hands on it, it's just very great. Since I saw it, it has USB 2.0. I expected some USB 3, but right from the bat, it's USB 2.0. The headphone jack confirmed, it's there. Another kind of stuff which I saw on the device, which is so very nice, is the reflective body. The body, it's almost like looking like metallic on the panels. So I think, to my own kind of aspect, it's a really big deal for the Infinix S4. And my own kind of experience, I give it go for the budget device. On my country, it's sold at the budget price, whereby you can just get it for the 3GB of RAM and the 32GB of storage, which to my own kind of aspect, I think it's a very convenient device for the people who want to get started with Infinix. So this is my hands on it, and these are my final thoughts on the Infinix S4. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the smartphone. Is it worth it for you, or is it just like okay, I get it. You have a lot of decisions on suggesting which smartphone suits you. Perhaps it's not the Infinix S4, but perhaps it's a good smartphone out there which you think for your budget you can just get it. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. You love this video today, make sure that you hit the thumbs up. You're new here, my name is Abdurrahim112, and spoiler alert, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Spoiler alert, I do really mean it. It's a spoiler alert. Peace.